want to start this video by showing this mountain range, which is in Costa Rica, between San Jose and the Pacific coast. It was a typical route to go to the Pacific coast. I did this route as my first solo cross-country flight to Quepos, and we were not allowed to use GPS. This is my very first aviation video. This was my first cross-country flight from San Jose, Costa Rica to Quepos on the coast. I had to cross a mountain range and there were some clouds, as you can see on the right side. It was very exciting and I learned a lot. Then I had a friend filming the landing when I came back, and this is exactly how all the videos and filming started. This was in 2009 and I had about 18 hours total time. I started to put my videos in YouTube to show other pilots and to ask questions about what techniques could help me improve to fly in the backcountry. Since the aviation community is really great, a lot of pilots are starting to comment, give advice, and it really helped me getting some techniques and flying better. As I was gaining experience flying, I was also getting experience filming the flights. So the YouTube channel started to grow. Usually in every video use lots of different views: cockpit views, under the wing view, center in the cockpit, also drone flying sometimes. I also bring a camcorder, and many times my pilot get off the plane and film a takeoff and a landing when the location is pretty cool. So I put a lot of dedication and passion into it and a lot of work. At the end of the day, the videos has a lot of variety. It shows the scenery and different views, which is what I want to accomplish. YouTube channel is mostly about flying in the backcountry in a Cessna 182 in such places like Costa Rica, Washington State, Oregon, and Idaho. Also, the YouTube channel is not only about my flights. I have a very talented pilot friends. Many times we go flying together and I like to show their flying in my videos as well. And I'm lucky to have incredibly good drone pilot friends. They're really amazing. Some of the videos also shows me flying the CJ6 Nanshan military trainer, doing aerobatics, dogfights or scenic flights. During most videos I like to talk about the places I visit or the techniques I use for certain places. Talk about some modifications for my airplane, some safety factors for flying, but it's a lot about the scenery. I fly in some really amazing places and that I want to share with everybody. Hello guys, we are here in Fall City, Washington. We just finished a 4-day trip in Idaho, which was really good. A lot of new footage. My name is Larry Larbier. I got my pilot's license about 10 years ago. And the YouTube channel has been up for about 10 years also. It started with no planning. I just wanted to film my own landings, takeoffs, and strips, so I would learn the backcountry. There was no special instructor in Costa Rica for the backcountry, so I had to learn everything on my own, and making videos helped doing this.
Hi, I'm Dana, Larry's wife, and today we're excited to announce the launching of Patreon for our YouTube channel Backcountry 182, which give fans and friends the opportunity to support creators like Larry and myself by paying a monthly amount and receiving exclusive content. So with your support through Patreon, we will be able to make more and better content more often and new videos. And Larry can connect with you more personally to hear your questions and concerns and what would you like to see. The really cool thing of being a patron is that every dollar amount does help. So go ahead and check out the tiers. You can be a fan and look through our goals to see what we will be able to achieve together at every level of support. Come join us and be part of our adventure.
It is very easy to join, to be a patron of Backcountry 182. Go to the YouTube channel. On the right hand side there is the link, and then it takes you to the Patreon page. Here you can see all the tiers and what is all about the support for Backcountry 182 YouTube channel. Also, another way to access the Patreon link is in the description of the video I put in YouTube. On Backcountry 182 channel there is a link for Patreon, so just click on that and it will take you to the page. Thank you for watching. It will be amazing if you guys are interested and give some support.